This video demonstration will show the performance and sound difference of a plenum fan when various airflow measurement devices are installed. The referenced EBTRON flow station we see is downstream from the fan and is used to measure the volumetric flow. Additionally, we are using a sound meter to measure the noise that is produced. The fan's drive throughout the demonstration will be at a constant 83.3%. In this demonstration, we are showing the fan with no obstruction. On the lower left, we can see the reference station's volumetric flow rating, along with the sound level that is created in the lower right. This will give us a base for our comparisons. The next demonstration shows the EBTRON fan inlet sensors mounted using the face mount installation technique. We can see that the overall performance is the same as the demonstration with no obstructions. For our last demonstration, we are showing pitot array sensors mounted on the plenum fan. Looking at the bottom right and bottom left of the screen, there is even more noticeable loss in fan performance and increased sound levels. Face mount installation does not affect the performance of plenum fans as some manufacturers would lead you to believe. The best way to mount EBTRON fan inlet sensors is by using the face mount installation technique, which gives you no loss of fan performance and no increase in sound levels. For more information about airflow measurement products, visit www.ebtron.com. EBTRON. A measurable difference.